Hello, we are a startup social enterprise called PROSOC Innovators Private Limited. We are incubated in IIT Kanpur as well as IIM Bangalore. We have designed and developed this product, a compact low-cost paper carry bag making machine. By this machine, by using this normal newspaper or a fresh brown paper or a butter paper, different types of paper, we can make eco-friendly and biodegradable paper bags. The purpose of innovating this machine was to find an alternative carry bag that is suitable to be used in place of single-use polythene carry bags. Since polythene carry bags are polluting the environment, these eco-friendly paper bags can be the perfect alternative. The larger vision of designing and developing this machine was to enable the people in bottom of pyramid to mass produce eco-friendly and biodegradable paper bags by enabling them through an end-to-end raw material sourcing and finished paper bag selling supply chain. The three processes like paper folding, creasing as well as gluing, everything happens on a single platform. This is a compact low-cost machine that will be empowering people in bottom of pyramid.